Hello everybody, this is the part 3 on how to make a magic request in Scratch. Anyways, let's get started. So first of all, we have completed our scroll X and scroll Y maps and collisions, which banks neither than that, and the player will not hit forever. But there's a problem. Just if you can see only the magic uh, the the player of of this hat will bang, but the hat will be not strong enough for us. By facing these problems, we will just duplicate the player, and it is the player tool. And as you can see, but the still player lies like that, like so. But for facing this problem, we have to make the hitbox. This player is hitbox. Okay, so let's go to the player too, and let's delete this whole thing here, and just delete the whole thing of the hat, like so, or and sparklings and a magic stick, and create a hitbox like so. Leave it like that. And now let's go to the player. Our actual player is this. And let's go to the hitbox. Now, as you can see, still hitbox is showing for us, but anyways, we will just hide this variable. If you see, when we hide it, it will just hide forever. For this facing the problem, we will also hide this variable and hide for the both variables, the green flag and the broadcasting messages. Now the wizard hat doesn't hit the place where we want. The player will just stay like that. And by facing this problem, let's grab when I receive start, and when green flag clicks, so hide, show, go to hitbox, hitbox. So now, as you can see, now let's when you click on the green flag, and now still the player still lost between. Now I will only left the levels, which is the level is this, and we have only 3 levels for facing this for all sprites. Okay, so player hitbox can also come right here. Okay, so let's code our coins or assist monsters and etc. and text labels. So it will take some time to complete this. I don't know how many parts will be completed, but we will complete in short or ways. So first we'll name this sprite as something like monster or coins. Let's give it at coins. Okay, so now let's draw our coin, which is yellow in color. And now let's go to the code, or we have to text the label to black, so that's why we'll just label text like shift S, means our number is 4, and click on shift and click on 4. Okay, so we have got our coin also. Okay, so let's grab when green flag clicked forever loop, go to level and grab this variable here and delete these things here and here, and hide. Let me just hide this at the top and grab turn 15 degrees this much or this much as you can. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so now let's go to when green flag hit book and then and hide. So we'll just remove the for loop here and just do like that. So oops, think I think the player is a bit like that. And so in the hitbox also. Hmm. Scroll X and oops. Let me just go to the hitbox. And by facing the problem, let's go to levels. Let's set our scroll X and scroll Y something like Y to 430. Scroll X and scroll Y. Grab scroll set. Grab set. Scroll X and scroll Y. Scroll X and scroll Y, which we have this X and Y variables. So initially we will just 2 minus and paste it and minus and minus and paste it. Why I'm keeping minus 2 here as the scroll X and scroll Y defines the scroll X to subtracted by 0. Let me just show you the demo. So now our player does not comes to here. As we will keep minus as the level is 0 is subtracting to scroll X as I'll just text here. I'll just paint or something like that. So and let's paint option like red. So this scroll X subtract 0 adds X is different to the scroll X to scroll Y. If you don't understand, fine. I'm just giving a tutorial like that. So X Y is also same is subtracted by 0 to scroll. Let me just decrease the font size. Scroll Y to scroll X and Y. If you don't understand, you can't. As if you can understand, it's great. So let's go to the code so you can understand easily for us. Let me just delete this. Why? Okay. I understood. Let's find the coins. And then let's grab this. Go to front. Where is this? The coin is not coming as we didn't even code. Let's keep X to 315, 315, and let's go to the levels and 31 minus 31. So now let's check it out. Where's this coin? I can see it's when It went far as much as can. So I think we need to keep the level to um let's keep -315 to 31. I guess this looks pretty cool. Let's check. Let's check. Hmm. I guess let's remove the stone 15 degrees. Let's check it out. Okay, I understood. What is the problem is when we when we start, we didn't even n- blo- grab the block show, so that's why it is hiding forever, and didn't even go front layer. And let's grab front layer also. So now, as you can see, our coin can catch. One thing you have noticed that this coin is visible still too. So I will not do that. And make a new variable called coin visibility. Visibility for this sprite only. Click OK, and and uh, then grab winner receive start forever loop. Let's show this visibility too. So let's grab if else statement, then grab if touching edge, set visibility to not else, oops, else, yes, yes. So let's check that. Not yes, not yes, not yes. Okay, so grab another save start again, and then grab for the loop if equals block not if visibility is equals not hide. Let's just simplify this to if else statement, to if is easy equals not, and then hide else show. So now let's check it out. So when green I clicked play, so let's run up. As you can see, it can choose the it can choose and hides also, and it's pretty cool. Huh. Yeah, yep, it's pretty cool. And now we have completed our coins as as we can, and same we'll do for the monsters, but some reasons we will do in our next video. Some reason to follow player, to shoot the player, and also to use course, and also to text level. Maybe it will take only 8 parts um for this magic adventure quest in Scratch. So for these 8 parts we will quickly do. I guess it will be 8 parts or not. So let's see. We can do or not. So until then, bye bye. We will score and all left. Until then, bye guys.